Okay, welcome everybody. Sorry to start right at the opening bell, but here we are. Bed Bath & Beyond is doing exactly what we wanted it to do. It's pulling back. I am hoping that it will pull back to about, what was that link? Limit at 10:30. Bye. Let's see if that gets filled. Hopefully it does. Ooh, 1040 was my limit actually in the thing, and I actually just missed that. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it 250 of these. Just take them. Yeah, 1040 was the buy. I missed that. I was opening us up. Let's see if it pulls down and fills my other order. Okay. I keep getting alerts going off, not sure for what. A lot of stuff going on this morning. A lot of stuff. Telegram. Um, all right. Wow. Yeah, Roku just came out of the woods. Massive pump, but I think it'll drop back down. Let's see. Is it making a reversal decision or not? Keeping an eye on DGAS over 135 as well. Um, keeping an eye on a lot of things without actually making a decision. Beyond is tanking. Okay. See, Roku comes right back down. I think Roku's got to touch 96 first. Um, why is no one here? I put out the link too late. I was getting ready. We live. What do you mean link needs a correction? Sankar, what do you mean? Okay, Bed Bath and Beyond is pulling back even more, but yet it didn't fill my order somehow. I'm more focused on anything, possibly the market's taking a massive hit today. I really do expect that. Um, but let's wait. Let's wait. Jade, don't sit behind me. That's a wheel. It could go over your paw. How? It's copied. It's straight copied. Um. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that is weird. I see it. I see it now. Thank you. Let me see if I can log in there. CALM now down 12.5%. Roku rallying. I think it's a false rally. Beyond popping. Market popping. DGAS at 134. Not interested. Lipocene. Look at that thing. Oh, there goes Roku. There goes the market. It's just a minor pullback. Okay, I'm able to enter. Aurora can. Wow. I can't hear myself. But the link worked for me. Looks like we're having issues. All right, we got 10 people in this room. That's all that matters right now. Micron, I just missed the news alert, but something about Micron. Dova, I don't know if it's going to hit 25. Uh, MU, Fold, AMD, TVIX, USILV. I was actually thinking of that, USILV. It's on my watch list. Um, okay, Bed Bath and Beyond is turning around now. It hit that kind of bottom, what we said it would hit, and now it's turning around. I'm gonna add shares to that because for some reason it did not fill my limit order at 130. So I'm adding. I'll add a little more here. I see this going to 11 anyway. Okay. Did you sign in? Rock, did you sign in? I don't think so. Yeah, I have the strongest feeling that the markets are going to come down hard. Don't know why. May just be, you know, North Korea saying they're not going to give up their nukes. That might have something to do with it. So I'm going to do a little UVXY call action, and I can always fix it later if it don't work out for me. Let's get them nice and cheap. Buy them while I'm nice. Buy them while they're nice and cheap. 211 for a nice delta here. Just get two of those. Let's see, the price is already going up. Up. Price must be going up even more. Come on, 214. That's it. Give it. All right, I got two of those, and I'm gonna go ahead and do something you would not expect me to do. Not yet though. It's not the time. In a little bit. But oh shoot, how's Beyond doing? It was just up, but now the market's gonna come down, so this might be a sell point. I'm gonna get some TVIX, TVIX as a hedge kind of thing. About 500. Yeah, yeah, pop up, pop up, pop up. Let's go around 4,000 shares, market buy. So now I have TVIX just as a hedge, and welcome Sarid, Sirad, Sira, Sira. So yeah, not we're actually not looking good right now. Um, looking pretty bad. Um, be, beyond. All right, stop with the texting because it's driving me freaking mad. All right, here's beyond going back up, which means the market's going back up, which is good for now. What's my average buy price? We gotta have this break 1050. Let me go ahead and put in a limit order on beyond. Uh, at about my target's 11, but you got to factor in the spread. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a first target, a smaller one, take a partial at 11 at 1060. Ooh, if we can get there. That's the highs of the day. There's a very strong resistance there. I don't know. I don't know. Gonna use this opportunity to trade Roku. Nope. I need Roku to pop up right now. Pop up, pop up. Roku's struggling at that 100 line. It broke 100. It's above 100. It's positive. Market is positive. Beyond, I mean, Bed Bath Beyond is really positive. Okay, at this 100 mark that Roku's at, I'm thinking put. And if I have to straddle that, damn it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. If I have to straddle that, I will. Come on, what just happened? Pop back up one more time. Pop back up. Ah! Alright, Roku's gonna dive all the way down to 96 today. If I'm wrong, I'll just do a straddle. Uh, but you have to do a straddle when you're in the positive. Let's see. The price of Roku is 99.50. We need to get you down below into the 98. Beyond. How's that doing? Beyond's up $75. About to break that 1060 resistance. We might see a big pop. The more Roku pops up, the more I'm interested in averaging down, honestly. Peloton is popping up today. Okay, we have a strong resistance here at this 1060 mark. I think we're going to see a cup and handle sort of formation happen here. And that cup and handle will result in a nice breakthrough. I'm missing alerts. GHSI is above 83. Wait a minute. Well, that's not good. That's not what I planned. Oh, see, Jade, that's why I said not to sit here. Go ahead, lay down, lay down. It's okay. I won't hit you again. God damn, I made a mistake. Did not mean to buy two of these. How did that even happen? I am actually in SNNA, and as you can see, this is taking off like a bat out of hell. It'll be gone when the morning comes. When the day is through and the night is gone, and when. Sorry. Oh, we broke 63 on. It's just so much going on. We broke 63 on, and it doesn't seem like it's really doing anything. I'm taking my partial here, 750 shares market sell, because I'm seeing the market start to crash, which might bring Roku down. And yeah, market's coming down hard. Good thing we're leveraged or hedged. Sorry, we're hedged. So even if it goes down while we own this, we're still making money. Okay, back to it. Just to do it. Trading philosophies work the same no matter how shitty the trading platform is. Look at that go. Look at that thing go. All right. Let me see something here. No, don't. China car maker Neo down 10.5%. You could look at that as a possible short. Um, oh, come on, dude. Come on, Jay. Don't get killed or crushed or whatever. Dova doesn't seem to be doing anything. Roku is popping. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. So mad. Yeah, don't pass up your opportunity to get free gold. They're giving it away on the television in case you're interested. All right, I'm still on the short side. Roku has to go down to 96 or at least 96. Peloton is taking off today. Peloton just IPO'd on Friday. Market's taking off, which is not good for neither. Well, yeah, it's not good here. All right, I'm not worried about that because that's going to come back down. I just want to know whether we should sell Bed Bath and Beyond yet. I think it's better to just hold those remaining shares, and we'll put a trailing stop on it. Our buying price, we're about 20 cents from our buying price, so we'll put a trailing stop of about 14 on it. and 14 cents. And that is, of course, for position Bed Bath and Beyond. Okay, markets are popping now. Oh, SNNA. Okay. DGAS is taking a dump. Let's take a look at the markets. All markets are positive. Dow is a little shaky. It's right near a strong resistance line as well. VIX is going down. Tick is up. Uh, hmm. All right. I think a reversal is coming right now. At least the pullback. Um, no, further pushing to the upside. Bed Bath and Beyond still going. Very nice. 1070. That was SNNA, now up 51% or something like that. That is actually a position that I took a small share size in. I should have went heavier. Um, 300 shares, it's up 55%. Because 300 shares, it's only 17 cents. Uh, that's pathetic. Now it's going to turn too. It's going to cost me more on commissions. Let's see how far it can run. Maybe it'll run to $1 and I'll be happy. I'm not selling it for $9. Even though that would be probably the ideal selling point if you really went into it and really committed. Okay, here we go. Back to it. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay, market. We have a. Oh no, we look good. Oh no, 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 we don't. We don't. We don't. We don't look good. As a matter of fact, we look bad. Okay. Let's go ahead at this peak here on TVIX. Come on, man. Where is it? TVIX on this peak here. Let's add, what do we have? 4,000. Let's add another 1,000. Okay. Average price is 13.93. I want to get a little lower than that. Let's add another 1,000. 13.90. Currently at 13.74. Once we get to 13.80, we'll only be 10 cents away. And that I can deal with. Neo, yeah, it's dying. And this is a shortable stock too. Oh, how did I forget that? Unless they blocked it. Nope, they didn't block it. So what I would do with this one, since it's kind of hitting support on the 50 cents line, I would do a stop order. Look at this popping up now, right when I do. I only bought 100 shares to see if it's tradable, but now it's popping up. Might be a good short opportunity, actually. Matter of fact, yeah, why the hell not? All right, so I really the 600 shares here is a joke on a stock this light. What will make sorry, I have a squawk box going on my headphones. Um, I basically get the squawk box from Benzinga. That's where I send you those top five every morning. Um, where is Benzinga? Where did I put you? It's right here. It's got a scanner on it, which by the way, let me change to regular day. It's got a scanner on it. XRF. Where does it says penny stock? And TGNA. TGNA. Okay. Somebody took a position, a big company took a position in TGNA. 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 Uh, okay. TGNA is rallying. TGNA. Okay. Take a 400 share position if I have room. All right. That's a $15 stock. 1541. We kind of are buying at the peak here. So I'm ready to sell this thing immediately. Neo popping up now. Looking for a good short on Neo. Okay, TGNA popping, still popping. See, that's right off the squawk box. I got that. Um, let's see how much it goes up today. And the market's definitely getting a pop. I'm sure that that's helping. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, VIX, you're scaring me with numbers like that. Yeah, I don't care about that, but what I do care about is market typically always makes a reversal between 9:45 and 10:10. So we're in between this range. So at some point, this market is going to come down. All right. Oh, we were just up a whole bunch more than we are now. All right. So I'm going to take, yeah, this TGNA looks nice, huh? I like it. I want to look a little more deeper into TGNA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch your screen over. It's easier for me because I do have a split screen over here for me to just split it over. So I'm just going to share screen and let's pop over here. There we go. Oh, now I'm losing. Now I'm not losing, but TGNA's popping down. So dang, I should have got some on the way up. Neo is making money. Looks like it's about to break that 50. Let me pop back. Let me pop back because I'm making a bunch of trade changes. Okay, so Neo is definitely dumping. I'm adding 1,000 shares to that market short. Um, TNGA looks like it's peaked. I got 400 shares in that. I'm selling 300, three-quarters of my shares. That's a proper partial. Sell. Could be an appropriate pullback, but have no familiarity with this stock. Plus, the market looks like it's getting ready to come down. So let me just take my partial. I still got 100 shares in. I'm gonna put a trailing stop on those of 0.0 100 shares, 8 does it's 8 cents. Sell. Bed Bath and Beyond looks like we got stopped out on that trailing stop. That must have been right here. Still 122, not a bad trade. Neo, this is gonna break 150. I'm like almost positive. This stock is garbage. We might as well go 48,000 shares into this. Do you want to? Because I will. Oh, is this shirt? This is like a really old shirt. Does it mess with the camera? Anyway, DSDS. I'm saying, does it like mess with the camera? Because I could see from my camera that it's messing with it. The checkered pattern. I'm missing something. Okay, it's just over here. I see. I knew that that was the peak on SNNA, and now pulled back. Maybe not. Might have another rally. We'll see. Usually don't trade anything that cheap. So that's why I didn't even announce that I traded that. Can Neo break 150? All right. Well, it appears TVIX is going up, or the VIX is going up, even though that the market is going up. THO. Just got an alert on the squawk on THO. Yeah, a little late to the game there. How's TGNA doing? Still doing its thing? And here we go with TVIX. For some reason, it's popping up, even though the market hasn't moved. Uh, oh, it's like it pre-predicted this big drop that just freaking happened on the Dow. Here it comes. It's dropping. This thing is psychic, bro. TVIX. Bed Bath and Beyond's just tanking now. Neo, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna break 150? Well, I'm gonna be ready in case you do. I'm gonna take that same exact share size and go at $1.49 if it breaks. And I want a limit on that because I don't want them screwing me. 144. They ain't gonna screw me on that. 144 is the lowest I'm willing to go. shorts. Might be smart to go long. Who knows with this one? Now we sit and wait. Hmm. I think there's an institutional support at 150. Like that thing ain't going below 150. They are not gonna let. It will eventually. It probably has already, and I just didn't notice. Let's take a look at it. Now we have some. Let's see. Let's take a look around. Oh, I sent an A. You dumped on me. I should have took my $9. All right. Right? I should have took the 9. I got greedy. I didn't realize it was that low. I don't know what I thought I saw. Maybe I thought I saw $1.60. But either way, it wouldn't matter. If it goes from $1.60 to $1.80, no, would have been more than $9. 300 shares. Would have been 90. MLN at a, whoa, this is a terrible stock. No volume. All right. Let's go ahead and check out let's see what the most actives are real quick. Vion, AMD, that's normal. MU, that's normal. There's some news on MU this morning though. TVIX, that's normal. Apple, it's not uncommon. Looks like the stock is pop, lock, and drop. GoPro, DOVA, overnight repo rate is falling. Roku just happens to be trending up. But I've fallen for this trick a million times, and this time I'm not falling for it. Unless this is the actual short squeeze that we've been waiting for. Then I'm going to be like pissed as hell. You might be like, let's go right now. Long. Let's go Roku. Long. It's killing it. MITO has been halted pending news, I think. MITO has been halted pending news or just a crazy good move. Peloton is now dumping again, as expected. Well, this is a nice pullback on Roku. So to go long, I wouldn't think it's a terrible idea. Let's go 400 shares. Market. Let me see what the market does. If the market goes long, I'll be able to hedge by going long in this. I mean, it goes down. I'll be able to hedge by going long in this. It seems pretty bullish. Thoughts? What's up with the chat? Is the chat not working? Or are you guys just busy right now? Looking at other rooms and stuff? But check this out. What do you think Roku's going to do here? Continue the uptrend or reverse? And I think I got my answer. Alright, I just shorted Roku on that pullback. And it was a great move. Already profitable, $51. Oh, no, pop right back up. It'll come. It'll come. Give it time. Neo, you sneaky son of a bee. You think Roku is going to reverse to the downside, Ralph? When is this thing going to short squeeze? Never? That's it? It's just done? I keep every day going long, expecting the short squeeze. Today I say no more, and it goes up 3%, whatever it was, 2%. All right, so TVIX is killing it. We just got to get to, we're 3 cents away from our entry price. Once we hit our entry price, that's all, it's all money. Problem is, we got the VWAP standing in our way, and the damn market won't seem to go down. I don't know, man. Roku's looking pretty hot, but Ralph, will you pay me back if you're wrong? Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, if you're in this, yeah, that's what the one lady in this group believed. That's how it works. Ooh, market's really going up. I see you here. This is basically how we do it, man. We just trade in the morning. What you're missing, I think, is you're not getting the text alerts, which I haven't sent out any except DOVA, which wasn't mine. That's a Tony Hedges. He's a hedge fund manager, and he sends out his text alerts to me, and then I post them up. Let me change screens real quick, and yeah, here you go. So that's Tony Hedges. He picked Dova. Dova didn't do anything. And then I picked BBBY. 1034 entry. This one turned out to be a profitable trade. Made $122 off. It could have made much more if I went in heavier, but Ralph Roku's reversing, by the way. And let me see to the downside. So you were right. Maybe I should send that out as an alert. Let's take a look. So what do we do? So if we get a suspicion about a stock, right? Okay, we think it's going to go down. We think it's going to go up. We got to look into factors. All right, so volume seems to be, I know the stock like the back of my hand. Roku's volume right now is pretty normal. Actually, it's a little higher than normal. Usually it slows down at around 10 o'clock, especially 11. So it's a little higher than usual, not too higher. Um, no, you don't have to download any software as long as you have this. I picked the Bed Bath and Beyond, which I think was a great pick. It did come down to the 10:34 in the morning, so you would have caught that one. And it is actually at 10:50 right now. The target is just a little shy. Um, I could put that in right now. That You know what? No, I'm not changing my target. I still believe 11 was a good target, even though I didn't take it personally. Um, MSFT call suite, which means basically that people are buying up calls, and the stock is surging. I don't know if that's a result of that, but they end Friday, these calls, which means they expect a major move. Because in order to buy calls that expire on Friday, you're factoring in time decay. You're expecting a major move in this. Roku, oh crap. Roku didn't go the way we wanted it to. What's happening right now is we're down. You know what? If that's going to come down, I'm going to do this. I'm going to double down. We only got to get to 1384 to break positive. Roku not reversing. Gonna put a stop at 103. Yeah, I'm setting that stop on Roku short at 103. Only 6 cents away. So all we need is a little bitty drop. The tick is positive 171. Seeing a lot of red on the screen. Yeah, we should hit positive here any minute. Oh, you don't see what I see. I'm sorry. I forgot we're on this screen. Yeah, so the one thing you can do is let's take a look at the price channels here on Roku. See if we're near a price channel or something. 101.43, 101.43, all tops of the price channel. Roku is at about 102.11. So it broke past the price channel, which would make its next target 120. Um, but let's take the world GDP growth will hit an 8-year low in 2020. So just another fact for you about where we're headed. That and you can see that fact's effect on the market right now. It's taking a bit of a hit. Roku. So we broke past 101.43. So we got to mark down that level and see if it goes back into the channel. Otherwise, this is a long. This is going to be really bullish today, and this is a long. Although I do see the ascending wedge, which I will show in just a minute. Oops. Okay, the market has deteriorated significantly due to the China-US trade war. Markets are plummeting. TVIX is positive. We're still down $98 on the day. I'll get to that in just a second. Okay, so let's put Roku in here. Wow, a lot of bad news coming out by Fitch. Um, Let me see. Yeah, we're not near anything in particular. We're kind of close to the S1, but I don't know. I don't see that happening. Not with the market pulling down like this. Although Roku is used as a defensive name, but with the whole market, we will have a recession, a technical recession in 2019. Either us or Germany. I didn't fully understand it, but basically we're screwed, guys. We are screwed. All right, so it looks like Roku's coming back down to that level, which means I can hold the short. Give me a second here. I think Roku's gonna hit like 80, 90. I don't see it hitting 100 and bouncing because I don't even think it's worth 100 yet. It's I forgot what they said. 8 times, 10, or 9 times its multiple, and Roku is like 7. I mean, and Apple is like 7 times its multiple. So I don't know. No software to download. Roku's not near any particular pivot points. Let's look at Roku here real quick. ROKU. It is way below the SMA or MA moving average envelopes. In order for it to even touch it, it would have to go to 110. Right now, we are killing it in the market. I'm going to pop over in a second. Just want to look up one more thing. Um, I just want to look up if there's a particular price channel for this one, the main one on the 2020. Yeah, it's right at the bottom of that channel, so it is very possible. A pop is likely, but it's not uncommon for these things to leave the channel. I mean, we already have with Roku, but really not recently. An uptrend seems right. But let me pop over screens. Um, oh, this is the wrong one, but this is just a couple things I'm watching right now. SBY, DGAS. Damn it, we missed it. I knew it was going to have a reversal, and there it was. See, that's why Trade Ideas is amazing. Artificial intelligence. It would have told me, say, hey, such and such is reversing. And I would have been like, all right. And I would have took a position. But let's move that one aside. Share screen. Where are we? Here we are. We were just up a lot more, but then the market had a little pop. Roku's coming down a little bit, as you can see, and Neo tricked me. Now Neo's rallying. It's above the VWAP. So you know what I'm going to do? Position, buy the cover. I am out of Neo. I'll take that loss. Whatever. What happened? TVIX went positive again. Negative, I mean. I should go long on Neo. Looks like it's having some kind of short squeeze. Or short it right here. Kind of interested in that. Let me try something here. Let's see what happens with that. I think it's going to pop right back down. Right to 153. I'll put that as a target. Okay, we're flat on that. Now I'm going to go stop and 153. Sorry, $1.53. But I need it to fill because of the spread betting and all that. So I'm going to do $1.54 just to guarantee I get the fill. Limit, buy the cover. Come on, go down, go down, go down. See, I'm worried about this. Last time I hit limit buy on this on a short sale, it literally just bought it at that exact point. And then, my limit price is $1.54. There we go. Oh, too close to price. You're gonna do that to me. Well, I'll tell you how to get around that. You simply go to range and you make your high price, you target that, and you low price something it'll never hit, like $2. That's like your stop, and then you hit buy, high price. Oh, I just gotta switch them around. 154, 33, 150, 154, and the high price is $2 because we're not actually concerned with that. So if ever it tells you too close to price, just go to range, pick your low price, make that your target on a short. If it's a long, obviously your high price is your target, and then you just set it. Now the order's in, and it didn't tell me too close to price. It can't with a range. So sometimes I'll use range to get exact pricing. It's all in the head, baby. All right, we got a little bit of a double top on Roku. I think this is a good text alert to send out here. Call sweep and Oracle. So that means people are expecting possibly insiders, so a bullish movement. I'm loving the bearish movement in the market right now. It's making me money. Let's go. Let's go. Very sneaky T-bags. Well, you know what? They're sneaky. Why can't I put a limit order in because it's too close to price? ROK. Rock. They're talking about you. Uh, T-bag, I'm so upset you're not, you know, we're gonna be going into IG. Not IG. What the fuck is the name? You know what? It doesn't matter what the name is. But I'm sad that you're not in with us. We don't call it that. Shh, shh. We don't call it that. We got a newcomer, by the way. Siraj. Hold on, I'm waiting for the ticker. This is really good news. Ah, I think he gave it already. King Rock. Nobody's calling you King Rock over here. If you want to be called Rock, we'll call you Rock. All right? Hey. Uh, yeah, no, but T-Bags. Come on, man. RGLD. RGLD. Hold on, I'm getting killed right now. I can't answer questions. What happened with the market? RGLD. Looks it's nice, but doesn't serve me any good now. This is flattening and reversing. Good. Markets. Hold on. Let me get to your messages. Wow, that SSNA is still going up, even though I was like, you know, I don't really care. But SNS, SSSNA. You know what I do like right now? I really, really, really like. All right, we gotta deal with what we gotta deal with. We got a lot of shit on our plate right now. We need the market to pull back. Um, but I'm really liking D Silv right now. I'm like loving it for an all day hold. DSLV. Ooh, look at that pop. Imagine you had an order at 1850. It would have filled right there. 1852. I'll take that. 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 I'll take 500 shares at 1850 market short. Sector isn't tradable. Wouldn't you happen to love it? Wait, is that a new message? Check your telegrams, fellas. All right, ready? I'm in a really, really rough spot right here. At any moment, I could get screwed over, but I'm going to go ahead and go live on Facebook. Woo! Did you see me just Mojave that fly? It's the first time I've ever done that. I feel bad because I don't like killing anything. Freaking headphones are annoying. All right, I'm up on not all the way up. All the way up. I'm not there yet, but slowly but surely. SSNA, man. I knew just the fact that I knew it was a great pick is what gives me joy. Oh, and now it's dumping. Here, SNNA still hitting new highs. I never mess around with penny stocks, and then when I do, I'm just happy that it did. It actually did something. Um, PRPCF is the only other one I mess around with, and I like its price right now. To be honest with you. Bed Bath and Beyond is headed to what was its highs? 1085, 1079, something like that. All right, all right. Okay. You see it? Shoot, something's going on. I'm losing power. I'm having a power surge. You see that? My trading platform. So, um, you know, down about 19. That'll change soon. Uh, $232,000. Um, come on, we need the market to come down some. Roku to come down some, but particularly the market to come down some. Is it going to come down though? That's the question. It's the big question. What is 292.50? 296.50. Oh, the market price. Yes. Right here. So $12,000 position, $40,000 position, $165,000 position. All right, that means the market's dumping. That's what we needed right there. Clippity clap, clap, clippity clap. Come on, because we were just down a lot, and that just saved our behinds. Now the count. We just went from negative 2,000 to negative 46 in a matter of seconds. Come on, keep thumping, keep thumping, keep thumping, and then we'll be positive 2,000. That's what I want to see. That's what I like to see. That's what I need to see. That is what I need to see. Woo! Roku just broke positive. Okay, so Roku's breaking positive, market's dumping. This is the reversal we're talking about. This is when I get excited here. This gets me excited. Okay, yeah, that, right? And then it's over here right now. 234, you see? Jeez. All right, 234. We're $230 away, by the way, from being positive, and it's going to happen right now. Ready? In the count of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Positive. That didn't work. It almost did. I was almost really shocked. We're going to be positive, though, in 2 seconds. And then once we're positive, I think the sky's the limit. I think the market's really going to start tanking here. Here we go. Wow, Apple is up 12% right now. That's why the Dow is being held up so much. All Apple. Okay. Let's take a look at Roku real quick. Roku has slowed down on activity. I expect it's right at the edge of that channel. So is it going to go back into that channel or is it going to stay out of that channel? It's more than likely that if it breaks into the channel, it's going to break the VWAP as well, and we'll see a very bearish move from Roku. Or the exact opposite will happen. I mean, I see a head and shoulders here. I don't know if you guys see it. I see a head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, second shoulder. That's a consolidation form to the downside usually. Nope, but I am wrong. It looks like it wants to pop. Market's popping, that's why. So let's let this initial pop happen and let's just kind of wait. Now, I could admit that I am wrong on my position and the market's going to go up, but I don't think I'm wrong. I think the market is going to continue to go down today. Today is down day. It is a down day. Okay. Um, Even though the Nasdaq is up 0.44%, even though the S&P is up 0.3%, even though the Dow is up 0.3%, today is a down day. So if I'm wrong, what I like to do when I'm unsure is I always look at a heat map. And a heat map shows me the actual stocks in the exchange, which basically should tell you. Um, why don't I see it? Here it is. Yeah, I just see a bear market. If anybody else, it could surge, but I see a bear market. Okay, we got Google, biggest one on technology, red. Facebook only up 0.16. Here we go. Here's a bigger version. Uh, oh no, I didn't mean to zoom in. Why did it do that? SGEN. I think I need the help of some artificial intelligence here. Apple's not 11 up, not 11%. They must have meant over a certain time period, because that would have been a massive move. But Boeing is obviously down. We want to see these ones up. Utilities, electric, because those are defensive stocks. Um, Consumer goods. I can't believe they have Apple and consumer goods and not technology. All right, the heat map looks like it's more green than red, for sure. So we're just gonna have to keep an eye on it. Why does this monitor keep doing this? Driving me crazy. Stop. There we go. All right, Roku's coming down hard. Market's coming down hard. We're gonna make some money today. Clippity clap, clippity clap. It's freaking market, man. Okay, what do we got going on here? Why is it misbehaving? All right, let's pull up a markets chart. Um, this is just straight markets and indices. Okay, so the VIX is clearly going down. Um, the tick popped up significantly in this clear downtrend. I'm hoping this is not a reversal. DWT is dumping. Great short right here. Or you buy the other side. UWT. Gold is dumping. This looks like a market reversal because everything was pretty much one-sided until we had this pop. Come on, let's have a nice pop down. Give me a second here. There we go. All right, we're popping down. But that scared me because I think we're getting ready for a reversal. Definitely a reversal on Roku. That's for sure. Um, so we're good on that position. Roku. See, that's about to go positive, but we really need this to go negative to not end the day negative. Let me see something here. All right, let's see. Let's check it out on a let's check out the market on a fixed grid. Just charts, fixed grid, SPY. Take a look at the MACD and everything. Okay. All right, so the pre-market highs are around this level. We tapped them. We didn't break them. That's good. Um, we're definitely above the view app. MACD is indicating potential reversal to the downside. Let's see what the cloud is indicating. Hold on. Edit studies. Ichimoku cloud is indicating some movement to the downside. Okay, so let's just see for now. We had our movement to the upside. Now the Achimoku cloud's predicting movement to the downside. The MACD is to the downside. RSI is overextended. Didn't touch 70, but I don't think it will on a day like today. You got to realize it's a Jewish holiday, so a lot of people aren't trading today. Um, I don't mean that in a racist way. It's just a Jewish holiday. So aren't people trading that normally are. Uh, okay, so momentum was very high, is now coming down. Um, TTM is still blue. That's the only indicator that Amazon Fire TV just came out with news that their YouTube TV is now available on their network. I don't know why it wouldn't be, but I'm assuming that that is going to draw down Roku's price, and it is. Only thing I would like to see is this turn blue. I need the next line to be blue, and I'll stay in the position. Otherwise, I'm going to exit with a loss. Come on. I need to see a blue line here. The next line needs to be blue, like dark blue. Okay, we got a TTM downtrend. It just went away. Ooh, I don't like the looks of this. Okay, so that red is starting to dissipate. The cloud has inverted. I mean, intersected, and crap. All right, there we go. There's the market dumping. All right, we broke back into the channel, which means we could basically go to 96 now. I think Roku is a great text alert right now. I was putting him in actually, and then it happened. I was putting him in like around here, and then it just dropped. It's still not late though. It's very early. Only up 1%. Oh yeah, this is going down. Hell yeah. Be right back. She thinks she can just. Jade, you can't sit back there. You can't sit where? Can you see her? Look at her. Jade, what's this? She can't sit back there. She doesn't understand. She's gonna get hurt. Especially since I slide over to the other computer sometimes. Wow, SNNA is actually making me money even though I barely. What does that position even work? 300 shares at 19 cents? How does it even work? Well, actually, I didn't even buy it at 19 cents. I bought it at, what did I buy it at? Is my ass crack out? Sorry. Uh, isn't that the trade price? This thing is so screwed up. That's why I don't use it. Okay. So with a trade price of 13, and it went all the way to 19. SNNA makes me so sick because I bought it at 13. It's like at 20 right now almost. And I'm talking about cents. Cents. So I should have bought thousands of shares of this. But I was just like, messing around. I didn't really think anything would happen with it. Unbelievable. Maybe SNNA is something you don't sell. It's just something you hold on to for a few days. But why is it popping? Or maybe that's the wrong thing. There goes my break. Maybe SNNA is. It hit 22. Wow. Maximize sell. Active trader news. 10 most overlooked stocks. 10 healthcare stocks moving. Is this something that's going to continue, or is this going to die today? Because again, I don't care about the $17. I care more about all commodities are seeming to fall: gold, silver, platinum. I'm not sure why. That's not a good sign for the market, though. Usually the market goes down, commodities go up. We need the market to go down desperately right now. Yeah, let me see I have to see like a chart. Let's see, like 20 days. Wow. Something happened just a few days ago. This was 70 cents. Dropped down to 10 cents. It's now 18 cents. Does it have the McConnell's now on CNBC? I could just look over and see him. And there he is. Um, oh, Daily Biotech Pulse is a pump and dump company. They work for a brokerage. They're like a PR department or something. But even so, let's see a few more days. Let's go out 100. Let's go 180. Bitcoin up almost 4%. That's why getting the Cash App is cool, because you can keep your money in Bitcoin if you want. But I do think they charge you like hella fees for keeping it that way. Yeah, I use the word hella. I'm trying to bring it back. Kidding. That's an Always Sunny reference. I don't know. We hit this dump. I don't really know why. And now we hit a pop. I don't really know why. This might just be some FOMO trading. Anybody know anything about this? No. Live stream on YouTube. Day trading with Chris. You're being sarcastic, obviously. Right? You're being sarcastic. You're being funny. Because guess what? I'm going to come back. And I'm going to come back harder than a mofo. Why does it say please stand by? Is my thing even streaming? I don't know. Is my thing streaming? Here comes the market down. It's gonna come down. Just let it go. Just like Roku's gonna hit 98. Just let it go. The thing is, every time we do this, I'm waiting 10 minutes from now on. I don't care. I'm waiting 10 minutes. If I would have waited 10 minutes with Roku, actually, that would have hurt me. I would have shorted it. It would have popped up, and then would have to wait for it to hit. What price is that even? Like 98? Like, oh my god. God. This is really booming here. I don't know what to do here. Are you kidding me? Come on, man. Why is gold doing that? Might be our only hedge option right now. I'm not short. Yeah, short. Oh, sector isn't tradable. Isn't that how convenient how they fucking do that? This degas. I see the upside down cup and handle kind of forming. No, I'm sorry. I see a boom, a boom, a boom. That is an ascending wedge. This is going to take off here. Ugh, let me see if I can sell this market. Position, market, sell, market. They're going to rob me of my price. Oh my god. Oh no, they didn't steal nothing from me. You guys, you guys, you guys, you guys. Degas, 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 degas. I thought it was 500. Unbelievable. Alright, what are we getting rid of here? Nothing at a loss. Um, maybe it'll take 300. Buy. 200? I sold 8,000 shares of that other crap. But this is definitely an ascending triangle. Degas looks very strong. Um, TVIX at a loss, 3,000 shares maybe, just to add to that. I don't think it's a smart decision. Just let it ride for now. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh, there goes Peloton dumping like I knew it would. Where's that one stock I was trading? It was like kicking. Aish. there it is. It's not even a past the 9-day moving average anymore. It's down to 18.7. I don't know if this should be a swing or if this is just a 1-day pop. Toss this. Jade, yeah, I told you can't be here. You can't be here, stupid. You're gonna get hurt. Hello? Yes. Okay. You too. Okay. Let's go T-VIX. Let's sell 3,500. Market. Sell. And let's up our position in D-gas. 800. Market. Buy. 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 Ugh, the spread is huge on that. That's why I got killed. But this has got to break 135. Did it fill me at 135? No, 135.40, 134.40. We're at 134.34. Canary in a coal mine. put in some. There you go. That's why I've been so jammed up. This is where we're going to see our reversal. I wonder if I have. See? I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Some of my shares were tied up in orders. You can't have orders and then not utilize them. All right, there you go. And not, and use the money again, I mean. Degaz. You suck. Roku must be going down. Okay, okay. Okay, Degaz is up. Come on, break 135. Market, we need you to come down, come down, come down. Here it is. Here's my market chart. Okay. So we just broke below the 9-day moving average. We just broke below the 20-day moving average. All right. And okay, Roku's really dumping now. Really dumping. If it breaks 100, I want to take some money and put it in there. Oh wow, Roku's really dropping. Okay, looks like we broke 100 on Roku. Very good. Okay, markets. Ugh, now they're popping back up. Oh, popping back down. Good, good, good. 75. Roku at that $100 mark. Bed Bath and Beyond hit 1075. Neo, good thing we got out. Roku, still a nice trade. TNGA, when did we get in it? Over here, right? And then it dumped, so we got out at the right time, even though we could have waited all that time and made the money anyway, but I keep thinking maybe I should sell DGAS right here. Reduce exposure here. Oh, come on, the tide has to come in. It can't stay like this forever. Okay. market really popping right now. I'm getting out of this. Seventeen. Let's see. Short. Alright, we're gonna have to put a stop on this. Stop price would be 13.47 10 cents from where we are. Come on. Let's identify a channel here. Let's see if we can't break it. Yep, that's a top. That's a very clear top channel. Very clear, very distinct. Extend to the right. Now the bottom channel is it's a fat channel hanging out at the top above the moving averages. Very bullish. We need a strong come down, a big red candle. And then we have to break out of this channel, which means this is riding right on the 200-day. tick is positive. Give me an alert. Create alert. When the tick is negative. It's consolidating. It's a consolidating wedge to the upside, which means it's got to reverse soon. Degas, what are you doing, man? Oh, some alert just went off. Oof. The cloud has this just going up, 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 up. All right, I think we exit TVIX until the reversal. Hold on, let me wait a minute. Because usually when I sell, okay, tick is coming down. Are we going negative? More selling, more new lows than new highs. 17. Right on the line. Right on one. Come on. All right, we broke it. Negative 13. Should start to see a pullback on the market here if that continues. Oh, no. Let's see something here. Pop that over there. Let's check this main one here. Look at Bed Bath and Beyond, still going. That's like an old dayer. Roku, I don't buy the pull up. It's gonna keep going down. Huh. D Silv would have been a great pick. It's killing it right now. DGAS is not looking good right now. It's pulling all the way back to the VWAP. Roku is popping up. I have an idea. Ugh, I'd hate to do it though. Yeah, we gotta wait till the market actually reverses. So position, market, sell, Roku, which is hitting the top of the channel. This is the top of the channel. It's breaking the top of the channel. Roku might rally right now. So wait, let's see. Nope, I was right. It's gonna pop down here. Let's see. Should pop down. This is the top of the channel, so uh, yeah. Goodbye. Okay, I'm all in then. 160. Look at that. How sharp and pointy that's getting. That's consolidating. That's going to shoot down at some point. Hmm. Lets you do it from your phone. I knew Roku would come through for us. So will the market. Has to reverse. It can't stay like that. And DGAS, we're still waiting for this to break 135. Now we're down in the 133s. I don't like that. hell? That's so weird. Oh, there it is. According to the U.S. military, there was just an attack where we killed 10 militants, and I am not sure where, but I'm sure it will come up. That is so ridiculous. Let's look at the SPY and see if there's any sort of pivot points that were near, channels that were near, anything that might give us some direction. Let me change screen real quick. Okay. First, I guess let's look at the channels for the SPY. Damn it. Boeing shares now coming down. That's going to bring down the Dow. Hopefully that has an effect on other markets as well. Oh, I think that was the channels. I mean, yeah, I did that wrong. Um, okay, let's just go ahead and do this for now. Alright, so SPY, then we're actually in a downtrend. I did not know that. I feel like we close higher every day. But looks like we're in between a channel here. 301 is the top of this channel. So we're kind of just in the middle, more towards the upside. In terms of pivot points with SBY, I'm sure 301 is a pivot point, 300 is a pivot point. So we're in a very bullish location. We really are. And let's see. Let me look over here. SPY. Again, the top of the channel is around 301, 302. We're like right in the middle. And see how we're doing on the envelopes. SPY. Okay, I like that. We're in the middle of the envelopes. Today we are, yep, right around there, coming close to that middle line. That would be where the reversal would happen. And that is at about 298, I would say, right? 298. And we are at 297.29. That could even be 227.50 if you really draw it out. Maybe 228. It's right around where we are. So let's go back. No, sorry. Not there. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Here we go. And now the market pulls back. All right, but remember, we found a channel for this already. So it's pulling back hard too. Um, shit. Roku. Let me sell 600. Market. Market. Sell. No position to sell. Buy to cover. Okay. Let's see. It's still, deeply in that channel, but that's the first time I've seen it give out. And we just know that it hit the top. I don't know what that middle SMA line is. That is I think that is the 100-day. So we hit the 100-day, we bounced. First time I've seen a movement like this. So it sparks my interest, of course. TVIX. All right, let's go ahead and put a order in 5,000 if I can get it. 4,000. You know what? We should have waited for the little pop up here, but okay. So we actually broke out of that channel that I initially drew and then broke back down into it, which is actually a good sign because when you break out of the channel, that channel's resistance becomes the support. So the fact that we broke through the support might mean we could see a downtrend here. CCMA has some signal. PSN. No other news. No other movement. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit, but I feel like that was the move from 33 to this. That's nothing. Huh. Alright, hit the top of that line and come down, otherwise I'm selling. Wow, Best Western. Get 2 nights, get a free third night. It's a pretty competitive deal. I just don't like anything. Nothing is going my way here. It's like everything turned on me. The only thing that might go my way is this market reversal. I'm done with the gas. Oh, come on. Markets broke below the view app. That's got to go. Peloton. We should have just shorted Peloton. Market, I see a nice cup and handle formation, upside down. So TVIX 47, 47. Where is that thing? 46. Okay. Definitely broke out of that little channel, but we didn't break out of the bigger channel. I don't think we will break out of the bigger channel, but I know we'll go to the bottom of it, which is a full point away. So, come on. No, can't do it. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Roku 1000. Probably gonna get stopped out on the UVXY. Roku, that is 101 is the VWAP. If it breaks that, that would be my stop on that as well. But I put a range order in for that one. What's my average price? 50 at 1,000 shares, that's 500. If we go to 99, 99.75. And then obviously 101.05 would be the buy to cover price. And then that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully these things turn around. We got my positions here. I'll be out at Roku if it hits 101.05. I'll be out of TVIX probably in the next couple seconds if it goes below 39. Because the market just can't seem to stop rallying. Although I'm seeing the first change in trend. So I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna kill that stop on TVIX. I'm just gonna lower it just a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna put a range order in. So my stop price is gonna be 13.35 because now we're at our BE level almost 5 cents away, 4 cents away. Not a stop. Let's do a range. Low price 13.35 because I'm definitely seeing a big drop now. You could see the little double top followed by the drop. So my target isn't going to be on TVIX at least 14 to make this money back. Um, so let's go 14. There we go. 14, 13. I think we're up on this. No, down still. Got stopped out on Roku. So this is our only hope here. I see the market changing its trend, which is interesting. That Roku would go up. I think Roku is going to come right back down. To be honest with you, I think Roku is going to come right back down. But we'll leave that up to the gods. Other than that, I am done. I will see you tomorrow.